Dati kasi ang mga Pilipino, lalong-lalo na dito sa abroad, 'di ba, pag may hawak na pera, bili na lang dito kung ano-ano, bili na lang ng hindi iniisip kung kailangan ba talaga.
Pag nag-abroad tayo, we send all my money to the Philippines. Yung mga hindi natin naibigay no sa family, gusto nating mabigay. And then kung ano yung meron tayo dito, gusto nating maranasan din nila yung mga material things.
Many times our OFWs feel guilty about being so far away from their loved ones na kahit anong hingin, ibibigay kasi they feel that's the way of making up for their absence.
Ang isang layunin talaga ng programa, kaya rin to binuo, ay para maging mas malalim nga ang kontribusyon ng ating mga kababayan mula sa abroad, no? Sa pag-unlad, no, ng ating bansa. We do this by deepening the skills and knowledge, no, of overseas Filipinos, no, in terms of leadership, development, social enterprise, and financial literacy.
It took us a long time to actually organize LSE. We had to raise money, we had to go from one community to another because nobody has heard of the program before.
When we start in a new country, of course, we have to get not only the embassy on board, the labor office, like the labor official, the labor attaché, or the
Welfare
OWA
officer.
office.
We work with volunteers. The program, except for one person, is completely run by volunteers.
Sa totoo lang po, yung pag-aalsi ko is I have more time to alsi than to my real job.
Immediately, the impact has been in the area of financial, being able to manage finances very well. After going through the program, natatauhan and saying, kaya pala ito, no?
Yung nag-change sa akin na yung how to handle my money, my hard-earned money. Hindi kasi habang panahon na malakas ako, nagtatrabaho ako, kailangan meron akong emergency savings, and then meron akong health insurance, and also another passive income.
Sa totoo lang, mula nung batch namin, batch 5 dito sa Milan, yung iba may mga paupahan na talagang ilang doors na ng mga apartment ang pinapaupahan nila. Tapos yung isa pa, may mushroom ano siya sa Pilipinas.
And also yung mindset na hindi lahat dapat binibigay sa family. We should teach them also na how to handle the money. Hindi lang sila dapat umaasa sa mga FWs.
Ang pagtulong ay pinag-aaralan at pinagtutulungan. Dati po pag nangailangan sila is ibibigay ko lang. Ngayon, kailangan nilang pagtrabahuhan, pina-explain ko how they will earn from the little money that I will give to them.
Even before they end the program, they've already turned aspects of their lives around, like especially in the financial area. But also in terms of changing mga mindsets, which is of course more difficult, di ba? Changing some of the victim mindset, but also yung learning leadership skills and being better leaders.
Ang natutunan ko dito sa leadership from the ELC is how to be a servant leader, not as a traditional leader.
Mga core values po ng Tineo, yung pag-volunteer ko po dito sa ALSE, parang hindi na po siya volunteering, parang isa na siyang mission.
We do not only emphasize leadership per se, but we also emphasize Ignatian leadership. No? So that there's a specific brand of Jesuit education that we also try to inculcate among our leaders. No?
Nakita ko yung ano niya yung magandang effect niya sa tao. But if you really put it in your heart, yung mga napag-aralan mo sa LSE, malaking impact. So that's why I decided after I graduate, I asked the leading coordinator ng LSE dito sa Netherlands if I can volunteer. Because I want to share yung natutunan ko, kung ano yung nagbukas sa isip ko. I want to share it to the people sa lalo na dito sa Netherlands.
Ang ALSE program ay para sa OFW at gawa din ng OFW. No? Kasi kung hindi tayo gagawa, wala nang ibang gagawa.
First homecoming was 10-year anniversary, no, in 2018.
And we committed 5 years ago that we would do this second homecoming.
So they can participate kahit paano. I feel like their community. Kasi that's what we want to build, a community that can hopefully become the forces of change and transformation wherever they may be. No?
So we want to emphasize also that this undertaking, being leaders in different communities around the world, is a shared ministry of leadership.
We have to remember that all these graduates are alumni of the Ateneo School of Government. No? They're deemed alumni of the school. No?
Sa lahat ng mga nagsitapos ng OF Life program, nagagalak akong anyayahan kayo dito sa Pamantasang Ateneo de Manila sa inyong homecoming.
For us, it's very important that the OFWs and the other overseas Filipinos feel that they are part of the Ateneo. Come home to the Ateneo.